Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix text not displaying correctly on Google Chrome in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix text not displaying correctly on Google Chrome in Windows 11 computer, in search type advanced. Here you will find View Advanced System Settings. Now click on View Advanced System Settings. Under Advanced tab, you will find the first option Performance, and here you will find a button Settings. Click on Settings. In Visual Effect option, you will find an option Smooth Edge of Screen Font. Just check this box and click on Apply. If you found Smooth Edge checkbox is selected, just deselect and select it again, and then click on Apply, and then click on OK. Now click OK. Now I'm going to show you the second way. In search, type clear, and you will find an option here, adjust clear type text. Just click on adjust clear type text, and in adjust clear type text, just select turn on clear text, turn on clear type, and then click on next. Again next. Here just select the clear text and click on next. Select the clear text from here and again click on next. Click on next, and now click on finish. And now I'm going to show you the third step. Open Google Chrome, click on three dot icon on upper right corner, go to settings. In left pane, click on system, and here you will find the second option, use graphics acceleration when available. Now it's turned on, just click here to turn it off. Now relaunch the Google Chrome browser, and now close Chrome, and now you need to restart your computer to fix this issue. Click on start menu, click on power, and then click on restart. After restarting the computer, hope your problem has been solved and you will find Google Chrome text correctly on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.